All right, guys, welcome to our final lesson, Google Maps Business Marketing from Local Guide. And this lesson, what we're gonna learn? We're gonna finalize our reviews thing. We're gonna learn a little bit of do's and don'ts. Let's jump right in. Bad examples of reviews. Okay, so whether you are a business or just an individual, try to make sure that you are writing valid reviews, not just this. Living, for example, this one, uh, let me take, okay, uh, nothing, like zero, just 4 stars. Why? Specifically, zero pictures, like nothing. Okay, here the whoever it is person, don't take me seriously. It's just for the sake of review, and they're published officially outside there, so anyone can look at it. I don't think I'm breaking anyone's privacy right or whatever. Just 2 lines. Okay, fine, whatever. Nothing to do with anything about the restaurant. It's just a question, and you like rate 5 stars. Zero pictures, zero credibility, just 1 star. Nothing. It was just the only one review, so probably it was very emotional, and it doesn't really say anything about the barber shop that we might assume, right? So yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. Try to make it as valid as possible. Here we go to the part with good examples of reviews at the same time. There are always good, and there are always not so good sides. Here we have three quite good examples. It's guys reviewing different locations, dining experience. They write pretty valid, lengthy feedback. At the same time, they also share their own feelings and emotions of the place they've been to. They share food, prices, how was it? Just, their general experience. So if I would be a person who is a business owner, I would definitely apply and say thank you for coming, thank you for spending time, thank you for spending money, all of it. Yeah, so we think that Thilo Schultz is probably the top one expert because he has 65 reviews, so he probably will be ranging higher than anyone else's things, right? Yeah. How to ace your reviews. Write it honestly, even if it's disappointment. If it's disappointed, you are disappointed about the place, try to make sure that you actually deliver the thought, yes, you are not feeling well about the place. So try to just say about it specifically what you dislike. Long waiting time, service not was too friendly or approachable or whatever, just people don't care, or it was smelly, flies all around, just mention specific things. That would be a really good place, not just for you, but for the business and for anyone else to improve. Because yeah, from critiquing things, we actually strive towards getting better and better. Structured, make it readable. Don't write just one plain blanket of text. Try to separate it into different paragraphs, just like you would write an essay or something else. Structure, yeah, so put some structure in there. Add pics and videos. People love visuals. Oftentimes I don't even read a review, I just see 5 star, maybe some numbers that are probably gonna catch my attention, and then I jump straight to pictures and videos. Yeah, so that content actually makes sense to me. I think it makes sense to anyone else around there. Be very specific. Don't just write it was terrible or it was great or it was tasty. Just write specifically how was it, what was the serving time, how was the portion size, was it clean, and so on and so on. So just give specific details, right? Keep it real, even if you are not fully grammatically or lexically correct, it's fine. You don't have to be a robot. You don't have to edit it somehow. It's the best review is the one that actually shows your emotion about the place, because again, we take actions, especially about dining experience or like coffee shops, we take it emotionally because we want emotions, right? Emotional creatures. So write it emotionally too, but just filter it a little bit and edit on the way. And of course, don't don't hate speech, just don't say he, she is stupid, the place is garbage, and it's like garbage. You guys never come back, blah 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 blah. Yes, sometimes we get really, really um upset with the place, but it doesn't mean that you have to um spread this kind of negativity all around. Again, be constructive, even if it was a disappointing experience, try to bring it as constructive as possible. And again, Google also will probably gonna moderate your review if it's any swearing words or something that actually make them worried. Don't insult anyone, especially by person, because if you're logged in by your name, which is I guess, the case, and you're leaving a lot of reviews, people will follow with that. And if they see you are the kind of negative, they're not gonna stick to you, right? Don't add low quality pics or videos. Maybe if you have a friend who has a better quality camera, but try to probably take the best quality pics possible to bring good content because good content gets ranked better, and the better you rank, the more ranging up you're gonna go, right? Don't write a too long one. It's not an essay. Don't make it your poem. Don't make it your personal blog or like space where you're just gonna share anything you think. Again, it has to be aimed, has to be targeted, so very specific. We write a very specific text for the like we want to solve someone's problem, and someone's problem is whether they're gonna go to this place or not. So as a business, why would you pay someone who's done a great research, who's done a wander around lots of places around the world? Why would you pay them? Because these people they bring value, and their value is that this is a recurring review. Anyone who can go to your page and see how many reviews you've left and what places you went to. So they're probably gonna trust you more if you show that you are actually valuable and your reviews are not just hate speech or love speech. It's actually like constructive feedback and you actually say things very on point. And don't overcomplicate it. Don't make it like it's not your academic IELTS exam, it's just a review, right? So people from all over backgrounds should understand what you're saying. Yeah, keep it fun, keep it witty if you want, but don't make it like I have to Google every word, every sentence, right? Just make it low and make it easy. Okay. Yeah, this is it, guys. Be humble, leave reviews, get discounts, connect with business owners, and yeah, if see you in our next videos.